Hey everybody, I'm back again doing a review of a tractor, I guess you'd say. 1938 model BF Avery. It's a Model V. 1938. Runs off gas. Been converted over to 12 volts with the alternator. Head's missing off the engine. Pretty interesting vehicle here. Got place to put the plows on the bottom. Yeah, just sitting here at a friend's house. He had this sitting here. I come over to check out his radio setup and seen this interesting tractor here. It's a 1938 model. Seen its better days. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be back with something else. Please subscribe to my channel.